Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best snowplow is probably one of the most convenient solutions for tackling winter snow removal. Imagine effortlessly clearing your driveway with the same lawn mower you use to keep your grass pristine during the summer. In this video, we'll dive into the world of snowplow attachments, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to make your winter chores a breeze. Number 5. KUAFU 48 Universal Snow Plow Blade Kit. Introducing the KUAFU 48 Universal Snow Plow Blade Kit. This kit is designed to make snow removal easier. It's a complete solution for your ATV. The blade is made from heavy-duty steel, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. The push tube is constructed from square tube steel, providing added strength. This setup is built to last. The blade features a 48 width and a 5-position angle adjustment. This allows you to customize the plowing angle to suit your needs. It offers great flexibility for various snow removal tasks. The mid-mount kit is designed for easy installation on your ATV. It attaches directly to the ATV frame for better plowing control. However, some ATVs may require drilling. This kit is compatible with various ATV models, including Honda, Kawasaki, and Polaris. Please note that it doesn't fit Can-Am Outlander models. It is a great choice for many ATV owners. The package includes the blade, push tube, and universal mount kit. You will receive 2 packages. Get everything you need to tackle the snow this winter. What we like. This kit's heavy-duty steel blade is built to last, ensuring you can tackle even the toughest snowfalls. It also comes with a universal mount kit, making it compatible with a wide range of ATVs. If you have a large property or live in an area with heavy snowfall, you should consider this. What people say. Bought for my Suzuki Eiger last year. It's been a good plow this past winter. We had 3 feet of snow during one storm and it went through like a hot knife through butter. This plow works great on my Honda 350 Rancher. Installation to the 4-wheeler itself wasn't bad, and I didn't have to make any modifications to the bike itself. Have used it in 2 storms and can say it was the best sub-$300 purchase I have made. It made clearing snow a breeze and was quick doing it. Number 4. Warn 8676854 Standard Plow Blade. Introducing the Warn 8676854 Standard Plow Blade. This blade is designed for durability and performance, making it a reliable choice for snow removal. It's made from 14-gauge high-strength low-alloy steel. The blade's robust construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting service. Featuring 3 16-inch outer blade ribs, this design enhances strength and rigidity. This feature allows it to tackle heavy snow loads with ease. The blade height is 16 to 3/16 inches, providing excellent snow clearing capabilities. This dimension is perfectly optimized for efficient snow removal. It has a durable black powder-coated finish. This finish not only enhances its appearance but also protects it from the elements, ensuring longevity. The plow blade comes with a replaceable steel wear bar. This feature extends the life of the blade and reduces maintenance costs. It includes heavy-duty skid plates made of 1/4-inch gauge steel with a zinc finish. These skid plates provide added protection and durability, ensuring it can handle various terrains. What we like. This plow's high-strength steel construction and durable powder coating ensure it can withstand harsh winter conditions. The replaceable wear bar extends its lifespan, saving you money in the long run. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting snow plow, you should consider this. What people say. Assembly of the wear bar was pretty standard, all the nuts and carriage bolts were there. Technical hint, put the bolts up from the back so the nuts are on the face of the plow, this will make for easy bar changes later. Attaching the plow went smooth. Took the old bolts out of the frame, disconnected the springs, put the new springs on, and bolts the plow to the frame. No issues whatsoever. The plow is heavy and very well made. It works like a charm. Number 3. MOTOALLIANCE Denali 72-inch Universal UTV Snow Plow. This snowplow kit is designed to fit any UTV on the market. With a proven track record, you can be confident that it will efficiently clear snow. The kit includes everything you need: the plow blade, mounting system, wear bar, rubber flap, flags, push tubes, skid feet, and hardware. It's a complete solution to tackle the snow. Made from durable 12-gauge steel, this plow is built to withstand the harsh conditions of snow and ice. It's designed to handle the toughest jobs without bending or breaking. The plow offers 5 different positions for versatile snow removal. Its 65-degree attack angle and over-center design efficiently rolls and pushes snow forward. MOTOALLIANCE, with over 20 years of experience, designed this plow in America. It's easy to assemble and install, and you'll receive support from a dedicated USA team. What we like. The universal fit of this kit means it's designed to work with almost any UTV on the market, saving you the headache of compatibility issues. It's a complete system, including everything you need to get started. If you like a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for snow removal, you should consider this. What people say. The assembly instructions are easy to follow. They are a little tricky when it comes to figuring out how to mount the plow to the vehicle. Assembly of the plow was fairly easy for a universal snow plow kit. It takes a little bit of adjustment to get it right. Number 2. Arnold 19A30017 OEM 46-inch snow blade. This snow blade attachment is designed to fit a variety of riding mowers. It's compatible with models from Troy-Bilt, Boland's, Yard Machines, Husky, and MTD Gold. The blade also fits Cub Cadet XT1 and XT2 Enduro Series tractors, as well as Series 1500 LT, GT, and LTX lawn tractors. This ensures it can be used with many different types of machines. The snow blade can be quickly adjusted from straight ahead to 25 degrees to the left or right. This allows for efficient snow removal in various conditions. It comes with adjustable skid shoes, allowing you to use it on different terrains. This feature is especially useful for gravel driveways. The spring-loaded blade return protects your tractor and the blade from damage. This feature ensures the longevity of both the blade and your tractor. What we like. This snow blade's wide compatibility with various riding mowers makes it a convenient choice. The quick change angle and spring-loaded blade return offer ease of use and protection for your equipment. If you have a compatible riding mower and value convenience, you should consider this. What people say. It handled pushing 6+ inches of snow in a gravel driveway with ease. The blade slides well over even the bumpy grass without digging in. Installation was straightforward after assembly. Number 1. DK2AVL 82 1982 Universal Snow Plow Kit. You tired of being snowed in? This heavy-duty snow plow kit is designed to make winter a breeze. It's the perfect solution for clearing driveways and roads. This kit is built to fit most SUVs and trucks. The receiver mount makes it easy to attach and detach. It's a versatile tool for any winter weather situation. Built to last, this snow plow is made with durable materials. It can handle the toughest snow conditions. You can rely on it season after season. The 82-inch wide blade clears a large path with each pass. The 19-inch height is perfect for handling deep snow. It will save you time and effort. The receiver mount allows for quick and easy installation. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. Get ready to clear snow in minutes. The sleek black finish adds a touch of style. It's not just functional, it looks great too. This snow plow is a great addition to your vehicle. What we like. This heavy-duty snow plow kit is designed for SUVs and trucks, offering a robust solution for snow removal. The receiver mount allows for easy attachment and detachment. If you have an SUV or truck and need a powerful snow plow, you should consider this. What people say. First impression was that this plow is very well built and heavy. Attached pulley wheels to move the plow around when not attached to truck are a great idea. Did pullbacks, dragging snow in reverse, well. Pushed it into piles with some force and rumbled over some ice chunks. The plow did what it should and the springs had the right strength to allow it to give way at the right force. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.